2.4 GHz offers longer range and better wall penetration compared to 5 GHz, making it ideal for IoT devices like smart bulbs, thermostats, and older devices. While slower than 5 GHz, its range and compatibility make it a necessity for many devices. Band splitting separates your Wi-Fi into distinct 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, each with its own name or SSID. This allows you to manually connect devices to the most suitable band. By assigning IoT devices to the 2.4 GHz network, you can improve their stability and range, avoiding interference from high-speed 5 GHz traffic. You can manage your Xfinity Wi-Fi settings through the Xfinity app for iOS or Android, or through the Xfinity website at xfinity.com/myaccount. Log in with your Xfinity credentials to access your account dashboard. From there, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings to manage your network bands. Make sure your firmware is up to date for all the options to be available. On the Xfinity website, start by navigating to xfinity.com and clicking My Account. From there, select Internet from the menu options. Then choose your home network to access your network settings. Navigate to Wi-Fi settings in the network options. Look for the option to separate bands and enable it. You'll then be prompted to create separate network names and passwords for your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. After splitting the bands, connect each IoT device to the new 2.4 GHz network. Open the manufacturer's app for your IoT device to change its network settings. During the setup process, ensure you choose the 2.4 GHz network, often labeled with 2.4 in the name. In your device's app, look for available networks and choose the one ending in 2.4 for optimal IoT performance. Verify in the settings that the device is connected to the 2.4 GHz band only, which provides better range and stability for IoT devices. If you encounter issues with your 2.4 GHz setup, first ensure your Xfinity Gateway's firmware is up to date. Restart your gateway and IoT devices to refresh connections. Double-check that you're entering the correct password for the 2.4 GHz network. Consider using a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to verify the 2.4 GHz signal strength in areas where your IoT devices are located. Remember that 2.4 GHz transmits through walls more easily and can travel farther distances than 5 GHz. Security is crucial when managing your Wi-Fi networks and IoT devices. Here are key considerations for protecting your Xfinity setup. Always use strong, unique passwords for both your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. This protects your devices from unauthorized access and prevents intruders from connecting to your Wi-Fi. Enable WPA3 encryption on your Xfinity gateway if it supports this latest security standard. WPA3 provides stronger protection than older WPA2, making it harder for attackers to crack your network. Regularly update the firmware on all your IoT devices. Manufacturers release updates to fix security vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Check for updates through the device manufacturer's app or website. Keep your Xfinity app updated to access the latest security features and bug fixes. Regular updates help protect your account and ensure smooth management of your Wi-Fi networks and devices. By following these security considerations, you'll create a safer environment for your Xfinity Wi-Fi and IoT devices, protecting against unauthorized access and potential vulnerabilities.